What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys stopping in to check out the video. So we talk here on the channel about regulation because we know that regulation for cryptocurrency is going to be coming at some point in time. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Now, recently, Congress has been trying to pass a regulation bill, a stablecoin bill, to obviously help some type of guidance in the crypto industry, because there are some people that unfortunately get taken advantage of in cryptocurrency. That's why it's always important to obviously do your own research. Well, it has come out now that Representative Jim Himes, who's from Connecticut, said that a stablecoin bill is not passing anytime soon. So we know that this bill has actually been delayed several times in Congress this year. And it's gotten pushed back and back and back. And now it's getting to the point where it is likely not going to happen during this Congress. Okay. He said it's probably not happening in early 2023 either. 4 years ago, if you said Bitcoin, crypto, and DeFi in the halls of Congress, nobody would have known what you were talking about. The progress that has been made in Congress is pretty remarkable. I think that it's important that people realize that, regulation is not necessarily a bad thing. Regulation can be a good thing as long as it's done right. Okay. Being done right is the thing that is important. And that's why I think that it's important that they are taking the time to actually look at this the right way. Any rush to get a regulation bill through Congress means that it's probably going to be done wrong. That's why it's nice that here at ClearCryptos, we have the opportunity to have a seat at the table and really help influence and make sure that these bills are done correctly so that people like myself, you, others can actually benefit from this, to make sure that we are actually safer without an intrusion on our privacy. That's kind of the biggest thing. That's the whole reason that cryptocurrency was, created in the first place. It's for your privacy, to keep you safe. Okay. Now, what kind of timeline we're looking at, obviously, we're not sure quite yet. We do have midterms coming up here in the fall. And that may play a part, obviously, as to when these sorts of bills end up getting through Congress and, obviously to the desk of the president. But what that is going to look like is obviously going to go through many changes in that time. As we know, these bills are written and rewritten numerous times before there is any sort of vote to be had on them. But again, it is important to note that this is being done the right way. I applaud Congress for taking the time to actually do this the right way and not try to push through something that they don't necessarily understand. As always, I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out the video. As always, I just want to keep you updated, informed, and entertained, because in that way you can keep luck on your side just like me. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. That way you can stay updated and notified anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.